Yo, so this week I was told that I should do a Q&A, so here we are. And I did ask you if you'd want me to do it in English since your answers were in English, but I think that's because my question was in English. And here we are. And actually it's good because English is our national language and you should know how to speak it. You're not 6. So here we are for a Q&A with Daddy Adrien. Let's go! What do you do in life apart from doing videos and memes? Except waiting for people who ghost me to answer back? I don't know. Are you a virgin? Do I look like one? I'm obviously Leo. Why did you start making videos? Well, people were kinda saying that I'm funny, so I was like, might as well. What is your favorite food? It's gonna sound pretty lame, but my favorite food is what we Mauritians know as minbui. Yes, I am basic as fuck. And yes, I go to restaurants and then I'm like being told that they don't sell that there. Like, what the fuck? Should Mauritius be a communist country? Well, fuck no, we already have villagers. What the fuck? Why are you gay? I mean, penises. What else? What's your current favorite video games? So if I have to speak about one which is like right now, it should be, and it's been for the past 2 years, Monster Hunter World, now Iceborne. Maybe you don't know it because you haven't tried yet, but this is your favorite game too. Just play it. It's gonna be your favorite game too. What do you do with your spare time? Like I said before, wait for people who ghost me to answer back. Were you sincere when you said One Piece was trash? Yes. Next question. Left, right, or centrist? I would call myself a socialist who loves money, or a capitalist who hates money. So that should be center. But I still think I'm to the left. To the left, to the left. Career ambition. Prime Minister. Next question. What is Falco? Falcon Punch. That's all that went through my mind. What's your favorite holiday? I'm not a believer, so I just take these holidays as is, like, thanks, I guess. Which law in Mauritius do you find absurd? Well, clearly sodomy. Put ahead. I thought about doing a skit by, like, throwing all my books to the camera, and then I was like, I can't be bothered to go and look for my books, but yes, I love them all. J.K. Rowling is still a cunt though. On a scale of 1 to 10, what is your full name? I actually got 4 first names. I don't know you call them first names then, and 1 last name, so it's like 5 names in total. I would say that all of them are very good. How old are you? Old enough. Eating ass or vagina? Why not both? What is the most expensive thing you own? I'm not sure. I would say my ass, because it's golden. Bish. Where do you see yourself in 10 years and 2 months? I don't know. I don't even see myself in 2 months. If you could change your name to anything, what would it be? You don't change perfection. Next question. What does it feel like to be the cutest girl in the world? I don't know. You tell me. How old are you? Again? To which college did you go? I went to none of your business. I'm kidding. I went to the St. Mary's College in Roselle, but you should use that information only to build my Wikipedia, because there's no reason to have it really, so get to work. You should have another channel for gaming. Do you like gaming? Yes, I love gaming, and I think it kept me alive for the best part of the last 5 years or so, but should I make a gaming channel? I don't know. Let me know in the chat. I mean, in the comments. This is not Twitch. How old are you? How old do you think I am? Let me know down in the comments. Qui nickname plus comique t'en des a gagné à cause de ce nom? What's the funniest nickname did you ever get because of your last name? I don't know. I think Kuskaka, which means like diaper full of shit. Well, I am full of shit. Kilastrina, which is once again, how old are you? Wow, you gay? Who's asking? Who's your favorite YouTuber? Well, for the longest time I think it was Ryan Higa, but since he's not posting that much, I would say PewDiePie, but he's not posting that much either, so I would say Kodiko and Noel Miller. They're really good because they're cyber bullies and I am a cyber bully, so I love them. Qui fait tu appelles Adrien? Why are you named Adrien? I guess because my parents got taste. What do you think the government should improve? Well, there's a lot for them to improve. I wouldn't know where to start, so maybe we'll go back to the one law I find absurd, sodomy. Honest views on racism, especially when the racist fucks are people from your own family. Well, the jokes are funny, the rest is kinda sad. Don't judge your elders by your standard. They did try to make us better than them, and now we are better than them, but we can't accept that we are better than them. Funny. So try to educate them. That's my view. Educate them. Don't laugh with them. Don't laugh with them. Don't laugh around. When it's racist, when it's homophobic, when it's whatever, don't laugh with them. Just be like, this is not okay. And here's why. Because that's one thing that I don't know if it's just Mauritian parents or it's just bad parents in general, but there's something they do is that they're gonna tell you don't do this, and then they won't explain why you shouldn't do this. They'll just tell you don't do this, and that's why we're gonna try to do it again, because we don't know why we shouldn't do it, right? And that's why some people do crazy stupid things because they just were not told why these things are bad. So you are better, so just educate them, tell them this is bad because that. That's it. I know it seems logical. Don't laugh at Chinese people because of Corona. It seems like logical to us, but not to them. Educate. Do you think Mauritius should implement capital punishment? Yes. Next question. School. As in, do I own a school? Celib. Single. Question mark. Were you always an atheist or were you religious at first? Well, I think like everybody, when you're raised in a religious family, you're religious. But then at some point, well, for me that point was like when I was 15, you're like, well, I actually have a brain, so I will use it. Qui fait pas content One Piece? Why don't you like One Piece? Because it's trash. Next question. But that's all for this Q&A. I hope you liked. I don't really care if you liked it or not. And it was completely in English, so I can't wait for people to be like, get sa gamin, la pique aux anglais. Dis pas qu'on cause créole. Why should I care? I got more and more friends who don't speak French or Creole, so I don't know, man. I'm just trying to go international. That's it. It was Adrien. Yes, even in English, I say Adrien, because my name is French. So, I put some respect on that bitch. And it's kind of sad because Adrien is just a French name, so it doesn't have a second meaning. I would love to have a name which got like a meaning like money or like riches. I don't know, like a name that meant having stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, so give me ideas if you can. But until you see me again, it was Adrien. Yo.